Up. I want to go up. Pitter, patter. My heart beats. I look at the machine, it goes down. I go up. I start to think, I feel a little vibration. My blood starts to pump, and I say, go up, but come back down. Give me the better of the good vibration, because getting too high, you'd be flying away. You'd be high as a kite. Number 89, Seasons of the Sun. Let me speak to you about this small item from a previous video. I'm going to see if I can regulate the light with this one. There we go. Seconds, hours, and minutes. The letters stand for numbers. There are 60 seconds, there are 24 hours, and there are 13 times 60 minutes. 780, 8 times 24, 192, and 19 times 60, 1140. When you add them up, it equals to 2112. I guess time was up. The number to the light and the E world, because B, C, and D is 9, right? P letter is 16, right? The P letter is 16. But but B, C, D, okay, equals to 9, and G, the first 4 E letters, total to 16, and then the next letter in the E family is a hard E, where the E is after the consonant, is P. 16 of the half-light of creation of BC, 1 times 2, 1 plus 2, equals to the doorway of creation of Father. You add up the difference, because now it's 68, because of 0 equals 6, times 32, will no longer, this I don't think is the right answer, because we can't use this number. I already used it here. I'm only going to use the 780 and the 1140. Every time I do this video, and I canceled it 4 times, okay, I did cancel it 4 times, so, because I kept seeing little things after and after. So let's get this done. It's no longer 2112 up here, right? I must take 2112. I must take 2112 minus 192 equals to 1920. 780 plus 1140 equals 1920 plus 1632 plus 1632. I'm not even showing you the right area. Equals 3552. This over here is 1920 is 3552. 2 and 3 is 5, 555. Anyways, that's irrelevant. This is what happens to this scenario. Second scenario, on the Mayan calendar, we have 360 days. Here we end up with 300. With this, here we end up with the numbers 3, 5, and 7. We need 360. So if we used a leap year, we would get 3U and 3R. U and R equals 39, the sky system, 33 creation, and the doorway of the 50-50 passage. U, 3, R9, sky, 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 sky. 18 outs and 21 outs in the 7th inning stretch, where they played 6.5 innings for the visitors and the road team. 0-5, 0-5. When you see the U, because this is used and this is what is left over. So you could have used many letters for this, and they were all going to work. Okay, I know they're all going to work. Now, when you do this, you have 3, 6. 6 of them are used. 5, 10, 15. 3 not used, 2 not used, 5 not used, 5 not used. This total is 15. 6, 6. It says the word foo, or it says 6, 15, and 21. The total equals to 37, which is 10 and 21 equals to 31. Altered current. Now, if you want to use it up to 365 or 366, okay, you'll go with 3 days to get it to 365. Then you'll give it to 4 days to get it to 366. Then you'll get it to 4 days to get it, 3 days to get it to 365, 4 days to get it to 366, 4 days to get it to 366. It depends which one. 4 and 1, 3 and 2. This is if you're in the leap year. This is if you're in the leap year. over here. Excuse me, not in the leap year. This would be 3 and 2. This could never be 4 and 1. It would be 3 and 2. It would be 3 and 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 2. I wish you can see this clear. 3 and 2. 3 days used, 2 days not used. 3 days used, 2 days not used. 3 days used, 2 days not used. And in this one over here, it would be 4 days used in the leap year and 2 days not used. 6 days, 5 days, 5, 5. 3, 6, 9, and 4 is 13. I don't want to put it here. It's 13. And over here it's 2, 4, 6, 8. 13 and 8, 21. Altered current of the church. This would also come back to 37 because of this. There's still more work over here, okay, but this is what it comes out to be in time. Another thing is, Messer, thank you very much. DJ, absolutely. De Jesus, cartoon, arc. In German, it might say Ashtun. Did I do this in a video already? 10, 11. I don't like that. The light is just definitely not good. 10, 11, and 12. I would like to say that 10, 11, and 12 might be reality numbers as 1, 2, 3. One of the reasons is because 1 and 2 cannot be used. They cannot, if you see a 1 and 2 together, okay, if you see a 1 and 2 together, right, or if you see a 0, the 0 says, I am 4 and I am 1, I am all, because it's the dot in the center that runs the entire clock. 1 and 2, when you play the game of craps and you're looking for the point, the point is number 74. P and T equals to 36, where P is the half-life touchdown, and this is the transmission or the transition. OIN is 14 plus 24. 14 and 24 equals to 38, equals the church and creation of electric company. 0, 1, 2. These do not count. When you see them, you have to add them together. So if you see 9, 2, 1, okay, that would actually equal to 39. Okay, 9 can be broken down, right? The 6 equals 0. It's a half-life. The 6 is a half-life. There's 2 in the center. So we're going to, I don't know if I should tell you what to do with 6 right now, but let's maybe just leave 6 out of this for now. Because the 6 can be made. The 6 can be 1 and 5 or 2 and 4. 5, 2, 1, 4. The 9 lives of the bad cat. So when we see 9, 2, 1, or if you see 9, 2, 2, it's not the same because 2 and 2 equals to 4. 2 and 2 equals to 4. Right away, you can say 9 is an equation of 63 and 9 is an equation of 54. 2 and 2, okay, they come together as the 10 worlds. You remember what we spoke about in the last video? Let me see if I can do this right over here. In the last video, I spoke that number 19, artificial intelligence, is number 4, but because it's the 10 showing up over here, right, the 3 showing up with the 10, it becomes 13 back to 19. 19, okay, is 1 plus 9 is 10. So 4 and 1 automatically come together the same way 5 and 8 come together because this becomes 3 by 20 is 60. 60 becomes 66. So instead of saying 3 times 20, we should have been going 26. And 3 times 26 is 78. Plus 8 equals to 86, which I should have done. I didn't do that one. I don't know why I didn't do it. And that 7 and 8 becomes 15 and 8, which equals to 23. And that 15 and 8 equals to 6 and 8, which equals to the 9 lives of the cat of the half-life. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 equals to 14. This equals to 5, this equals to 5, and this equals to 5. All out of this system over here. Okay, so we're going to show you that 2 and 1 must go to 3. When you play the game of craps, when you score the point is either on or it's off. If it's on, it's equal to number 29. If it's off, if it's on, O, 15, and 14 equals 29. If it is off, maybe I'll use yellow paper next time. If it is off, OFF, Six letter. O is 6. O is 15. F is 6. F is 6. 15, 6 and 6 is 27. Black equals 29. Red equals 27. Red off, black on. 9, 11. 1 and 1, not 2 and 2. The other number that comes back over here, just like this one, is 9, 1 and 1. 9, 11. 9, 11, where 1 and 1 come together and become 2. This would be 9 and 2. That would be 3 and 9. This is the only, they cannot happen. It cannot happen in craps. Now, if you go 1 and 3, 1 and 3 is now 4, right? The two dice have to come together. 1 and 3 is 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, right? Which is 6. 1 and 5 does not have to go. 1 and 5 is 6. 1 and 3, yes. 1 and 4. Until these dice, okay, on the different levels, until these two numbers, okay, can actually add up to a number that can be reused on this dice, like 1 and 1 cannot be reused. It's a 2. 3 and 2 is a 5. Now that's a little different. If you have 3 and a 2, you can be used as a 5, right? This one can be used as 1 and 1. This one can be used as 1 and 2. So this one you can count separately, right? Or do we go all the way up until we get to 7, 8, 9, but we're not going to go up that level just to show you what I do at 9, 2, 1 and 9, 1, 2. They must go together because it's under 4 between the three of them. If it was 9 and, you see, any number like 9, 3, 1, 9, 1, 3, okay? The thing is, this one is nowhere. It's a nowhere number, okay? These two come together and it becomes 9, 4. Now, if it was 9, 5, 6, right? Don't even use 5, 6 because 5 and 6 is the opposite of 1 and 2, which is a loss. The only two real numbers that work is 3 and 4. DC. Sorry, 4 and 4 or 4 and 5. Those are the only numbers that work. 4, 5, and 6. Sorry about that. Because you can get 2 and 2, you can get 3 and 2, and you can get 3 and 3. Anyways, I shouldn't have brought that up. Just to tell you that Pluto, okay, 84, when you add up 39, 63, 80, hold on a second, 19, 18, 17, 14, and 16. No, that's not what I want to talk about right here. What I'm going to talk about right here is two words, the word 13 and 15. How do you write 16? You write the complete 6, complete 4, complete 7, complete 8, and complete 19. Right? The 8, you don't actually extra T. So it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers go together and 2 numbers go together. 10, 11, 12 are numbers. Why do I say that? I'm going to show you why. First of all, 7 times 12 inches is 84 Pluto. Because the word thir, okay, and then teen is not 3. The word fifth is not 5. All others state their number. These do not. This one comes out to the number 57 and 44. Talking about moon space. 15 talks about cube DNA. I think we're going to end it right now. Thank you very much for watching. I am going for a walk. Have a nice day.